Hi guys, my name is Bartkamski and this is going to be my sound asset for Marketplace. And this asset are many different clicks and sounds like this one. So I basically took many of my household things like this camera and I just record all of this, the analog aperture change and all the clicks and switches, and I took also different equipment of mine. I don't know if you can hear it, but basically all the old audio stuff and all the things that I have in my house that had buttons or knobs or switches, I just record them and I put them here, and there is 503 items, and every button is pressed and recorded at least 4 times, but sometimes even 8 times, and it's connected in SoundQ with randomization. So this SoundQ looks like this, and I record all Xbox buttons, I record mouse clicks, I record old hi-fi audio system, some electronic knobs, not only clicks but switches and so on. There is 67 sound cues and there is 500 items. Everything is connected here, just plug and play. This is mouse scroll roll fast, but there is also slow. So if you have rolls or knobs that you rotate or record, fast knobs or single, or where is it? Oh, here's single, here's double, here's multi. And so on. You can use it for UI, you can use it for props. Yeah, please buy it.